The forgotten train depot, once a bustling hub for travelers, now stands as a haunting reminder of a vibrant past. Built in the late 1800s, it played a crucial role during World War II, ferrying soldiers and supplies. Locals whisper tales of ghostly apparitions, shadows of anxious passengers trapped in time, waiting for a train that will never arrive. One chilling account tells of an old conductor seen wandering the platforms, forever searching for his lost express. As the sun sets, the remnants of this depot glow with an eerie allure, beckoning the curious to uncover its secrets and relive its storied history. What will you discover amidst the decaying beauty?